Exploring the sites with walking tours. Nora and Gerald are having lunch together at work. Hey, Gerald, I'm going to travel abroad soon and want to make the most of my trip. Any suggestions?
How about trying a walking tour? It's a great way to explore a city and learn about its culture.
What exactly are walking tours?
Walking tours are guided tours carried out on foot and are usually led by trained locals or experts. They take you through different neighborhoods or areas of a city and share interesting stories, historical facts, and local insights along the way.
That sounds like fun. How do I join one?
You can easily join a walking tour by booking in advance with tour companies or checking for local guides at designated meeting points. Some cities even offer free walking tours where you simply give a tip as payment.
I see. Do you think I can also book one at my hotel?
Most likely. Many hotels are in contact with tour agencies and can help book one for you.
Thanks for the information. I'll certainly try one.
Don't mention it. I hope you discover some hidden gems on your trip.